Hello! Today I will show you how to mount the Divesoft cave cover onto the head of your CCR. You will want to take the cave cover, put it over your head, and look, there are 4 holes in there and they will line up with the screws you will want to remove. So you will remove these 4 screws, and for the HUD and the handset you will want to put in a plastic spacer that comes with the cave cover kit. So now you have all 4 screws removed. You will take your 2 spacers and put them right here. The longer one goes on your body display since the base is a bit shorter, and the longer one goes on your HUD. Then you will take the cover and the 4 screws that came with it. You will insert them in the holes just to position them correctly before screwing them in. After you've positioned them, you will want to take a number 1 Phillips screwdriver and screw them in tightly. Not too tightly, because you can pull out the thread base in the head. 3 fingers is enough. That's it, you have your cave cover installed. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.